I tell you guys, it's really hard to find cartoon images of a lot of these Hot Wheels vehicles, but the Hummer H2 is a popular one. That's a cool drawing, cool drawing. This is actually from South Park, and that is from some sort of Cartoon Network vehicle. I mean, not vehicle, Cartoon Network show. But anywho, what we're talking about today is the 2004 first editions, number 34 of 100 of that year. This is the Blings Hummer H2. There we go. So, it's just a yellow. It's not a metallic. Just a regular yellow, sunburst or really Dayglow yellow. And it's nice. It's got H2 printed on there. And it's got this black base that has the fender flares. So that's well designed. Also has a tiny bit of a running board or a step bar or something like that. It's got nice detailed door handles, recesses. And then this printing is okay. It's like tribal stuff. Be fine without it, to be honest with you. And then nice deep recesses here for that venting area. And then the hood latch there is raised, and that's a turn signal or perhaps a reflector front and back. So that's good. The windows are just black plastic, totally opaque, no interior. And it's got the standard Blings wheels that are absolutely massive and look blingy. Okay, so that black plastic base carries across here to this recess that has a texture in it. Some lights molded in, some sort of vents or openings. I think the tow hooks are down there. And then, yeah, whatever that detail is on the vehicle. And then the headlights are well done. And then the grill, very nice deep ridges, not ridges, depressions, I guess, with ridges in between. All right, this side here, oh, there's also a fuel filler on this side. So, yeah, the printing seems okay. No defects I can see. Yeah, very good. All right, the venting up here is nicely done, and whatever those little rub strips are, they're there. Wiper blades are also casted in, as well as some ribbing here. And then we have those like running lights on the roof, all raised, so they should be easy to paint. And then the roof rack is also raised, as well as some ribbing for the roof. So nice, little skylight there. And then third brake light, or no, maybe not, just the running lights, 3 running lights there. And then nice, the taillights are printed. And then we have a tab for that plastic base to lock it together, and that's the license plate area. There's also ribbing here, and then Hummer is actually casted into the plastic. Very cool. Recesses there, a tow hitch receiver, nice, and then some sort of detail about the differential or something there. So I gotta say, this might be the most detailed recesses here. Blings casting I've gotten. Like, I just spoke a lot. There's a lot that they did on this thing. They tell you what the vehicle is, and then when it was copyright dated, and yes, plastic base, that's fine. So, as a Hot Wheels, of course, it's going to roll well. And I do have to say, you don't have to change the wheels on this. These definitely look like a customized H2 blinged out. But I think I'm going to do a 3D wheel project, so give me a moment here. Today I decided to go with just original wheels because I think they're pretty cool how they're not symmetric. And so I have separate tires printed as well, so it's easier to paint the two. There's no brakes back there, I don't think. I don't remember putting brakes back in there, but they do pass air. And then I reused the stock axle by clipping off one of the original wheels and then clipping off the axle end so I can reuse them. So this thing does roll, but it doesn't roll. This axle is actually bent somewhere along the way of me pushing this wheel on. I think I bent the axle, but that's alright. It keeps it from rolling off my display coasters. Added a whole bunch of paint, a little black here, black in there, some silver door handles, reflector color up in here, and the grill, and this is black Sharpie. It's actually like a dark purple. I should maybe have added paint instead. Up top is also black paint, and then running light paint as well. I didn't bother painting the rails because the paint just falls off so easily. If you barely touch this, the paint just falls off. So I think you have to use oil-based paints for them to stay on a long time. But if you mess up putting on the oil-based paint, you'll strip off the original paint using like thinner or something like that. So that's why I stick with acrylics Acrylics are a lot safer for you as well. You don't breathe in the bad fumes. Alright, well, let's take a look at a couple other castings. I think this is from Family Guy. That's what it looks like, that type of cartoon style. I don't have a realistic Hummer, but I do have a realistic Defender 110 by Tarmac Works here. But I actually do have a Chorokyu of a Hummer H2. Yeah. So this one I 3D printed wheels a long time ago because, again, I like the asymmetry of them. So these are actually a different style from the ones I put on the Hot Wheels. But let's take a look at these things. So the Blings is definitely a pretty big casting as far as cartoon cars go, but it's obviously smaller than a realistic looking casting. But this is a very tall Bling, so most of the other ones I have seem to be a lot shorter. Although it's possible I may have made oversized wheels because the fender openings are so big. You know, I try to usually fill in the fender gaps because it makes them look more cartoonish and customized. Alright, let's take a look over here. I figure if you're not actually driving this vehicle or if it's parked at your house, this is the proper location where you would see a Hummer at the gas stations because the thing must suck down so much gas, right? And then what sort of cartoon character should we have today? I think we need Wally. The future. I think Wally ran on solar, didn't he? And then the past, dinosaurs. Okay, appreciate you guys checking this video out today, and I really enjoyed these Hot Wheels Blings. They're really cool, and if you like them, pick them up. They're pretty cheap on eBay. Seems like no one else likes these cartoon vehicles, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Cheerio.